MLA kaseng UDP na Khliehriat uba Kyrmen Shylla. Ulong ba kamdan gejing Kaliban persya na kersyan ya gejing dawa kaseng VPP bandan gejing Tohkit halur gejing Pyntreikam ya MLA scheme. Uba Kyrmen Shylla ula banjur ba MLA scheme kabadai R.san klur tengka malah kesnem kadai gejing kipat ba. Balada gisngo ba gejing Pyntreikam kabakla kidonya kahok bandawa ya gejing Tohkit kabalat luy. Uba Kyrmen Shylla ula ajing mud baga right information ke degalat ke bapa katam bat ke basuk ban wat jing tip no ke office u block development officer haka jaka ban pelong jing Tohkit ulong ba amdan ye ban bure bat usngu tenat bagi pat ba kin tip ke ba ulale ula pen scam bawa tang ke tengkaru amla ban penja namar ke pisa ke la dega bala mangtek na ke bentang pat ba ula banjur baga pisa ke dai ban poish ke pat ba am ban penpai shawai pat.
When it comes to our scheme, the schemes which supposed to be delivered to the people in our constituency. So I'm here not to support or to support. I'm here just on my own, my personal feelings that whatever is the right of the people, it has to go to them. But if we feel there's a missing, that it has not been delivered, so the government has fully rights, or even the public has the right to demand for either independent inquiry or any kind of inquiry. We are most welcome for that, especially for myself in my constituency. I myself, I would love people to know that what I have been doing and the schemes, what's supposed to be for them, it reached them on time. We try to be on time. Yes, no doubt delay has been there sometimes, but not intentionally. That's why if you see when it comes to MLA scheme, in my constituency, every year I'm trying to put the application. There's a delay, no doubt, on time, but in the end, we make sure that this 5 years term, each year, all this money has to go to the people of our constituency. No doubt, we have the liberty to put the amount based on our requirement, on the requirement of people, and based on us how much we can put on one location, and then proposal wise, so that we have the liberty. But all this money, 2.5 CR as of now, it has to reach to the people. Nobody has the right to take it, even the MLAs, though he's been elected, but this money belongs to the people. Because yeah, there's nothing to hide, but if there's not, I believe RTI is the right thing to search for, ask for inquiry. So instead of that, RTI is very easy. File the RTI, you'll get everything there in the BDO's office. Very easy to get. But it's just that, yes, no doubt, each and everyone cannot go to every district, to every constituency. So maybe they require independent inquiry or any kind of inquiries. They have the rights to demand for that. And I am on for it.
Sir, but such an accusation.
I really don't know exactly what does the meaning regarding with this, but it's just that if somebody doubt me or doubt anybody, the government has the right to file, to search what is exactly going on. So if any doubt, so we should not leave anybody, because this money, each and every penny belongs to the people.